To determine the best Solana trading bot for Memecoins in 2025, we will compare Photon and Trojan, two popular options. First, let's understand what memecoins are. Memecoins are cryptocurrencies that originated from internet memes or jokes, but have gained significant value and popularity. When choosing a trading bot, it's essential to consider the platform it's built on. In this case, we're focusing on Solana, a fast and scalable blockchain. Photon and Trojan are both Solana-based trading bots that allow users to automate their trading strategies. Photon is known for its advanced trading algorithms and user-friendly interface. It supports a wide range of memecoins and offers features like stop-loss and take-profit orders. On the other hand, Trojan offers more complex trading strategies and a customizable interface. To use either Photon or Trojan, you'll need to create an account and connect your Solana wallet. Once connected, you can choose from pre-built trading strategies or create your own. It's crucial to backtest any strategy before implementing it with real funds. When comparing Photon and Trojan, consider factors like fees, security, and customer support. Photon charges a flat fee per trade, while Trojan charges a percentage of the trade value. Both platforms prioritize security, but it's essential to use two-factor authentication and keep your wallet secure. In terms of customer support, Photon offers a comprehensive knowledge base and responsive support team. Trojan also provides support, but it may not be as extensive as Photon's. Ultimately, the best Solana trading bot for memecoins in 2025 will depend on your individual needs and trading goals. If you're a beginner, Photon's user-friendly interface and pre-built strategies may be the better choice. If you're more experienced, Trojan's customizable interface and complex strategies may be more suitable. It's essential to remember that trading with bots carries risks, and there are no guarantees of profit. Always do your own research, set realistic expectations, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these best practices and choosing the right trading bot, you can navigate the world of memecoins with confidence.